Hello, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be pranking someone. Don't know who it's gonna be because first one to walk in his kitchen and open the fridge is gonna get pranked. So I don't know who's gonna get pranked because I taped it all, but we're gonna have to do some more. So I'm gonna put camera here and we're gonna and this tape is like see-through, so you can't be able to not see it. So it's see-through, so you might not even know there's tape on this fridge. If you want to know this tape, comments below because I got this piece here. So in the comments below, if you want the tape, please comment. Or in someone else's comments, I'll check on their comments and you'll see who wants this tape. I think they're gonna go and get my sister some more juice, so might be time.
Look what you're doing. What have you done?
I'll film a YouTube video, so first one to come in his kitchen will go like this and they can't open the fridge.
Keep up.
I try. That's what I wanted to happen though. And guys, I were outside, I kicked a ball at the shed and the shed window smashed. And remember in the comments below, see if you want this tape and I'll give it to you. Pranked. Bye.